Working in the wood shop, most students find it really relaxing because there's not a lot of demands. We're not asking students to perform in a certain way. The projects are students' own initiative. What happens here is that people work to the fullest extent of their abilities with their mind and their hands, and you can incorporate all your previous skills and knowledge and your imagination to the best of your ability.
It's just something different. You just have a block of wood and you can use any tool you want and make something you want out of it. It's like the whole blank canvas idea.
Students are very excited about that notion of taking an idea and making it into reality. And I don't think they see the world the same way again after they themselves have tried to make something that's even simple with their hands.